In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo and favicon of your GoHighLevel client portal account. Branding your client portal makes your workspace feel professional and familiar to your customers. Before we start, have two image files ready. Your main logo, ideally a high-resolution PNG with a transparent background, and a small square icon for the favicon. The favicon is the tiny icon that appears in the Browser tab. A clear, simple mark works best. First, sign in to your GoHighLevel account and head to the left sidebar. Click Memberships. This takes you to the area that controls your courses, products, and the client portal experience. Next, open the client portal. If you manage multiple locations or portals, be sure you're in the correct one before you continue. You'll see the portal dashboard once you're in the right place. From here, go to Settings. This section holds all the configuration for how the portal looks and behaves. Inside Settings, choose Branding. Branding is where you can update colors, images, and other visuals so your portal matches your company identity. Now, find the logo field and change it. Click to upload or replace the current image, then select your logo file from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish, and use the on-screen crop or fit options if they appear so your logo displays cleanly. For best results, use a transparent PNG and follow any recommended dimensions shown in the uploader. If the preview looks stretched, try a wider version of your logo or reduce the file size and re-upload. Next, locate the favicon field and change it. Upload your square icon, typically a simple mark without small text. A PNG works well, and keeping the design bold helps it stay recognizable at tiny sizes. Check the preview to confirm it looks crisp and not blurry. When both images look correct, click Save Settings. Give the page a moment to confirm your changes. After saving, open your client portal in a new browser tab to verify that the logo appears in the header and the favicon shows up in the tab. If you don't see changes immediately, refresh the page or clear your browser cache, then check again. That's it. With your logo and favicon updated, your GoHighLevel client portal now reflects your brand everywhere your clients interact. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need to follow along step by step.